Hello, grade two. Let's talk on the second kind of energy. Again, I'm going to remind you with the three kinds of energy. They are, yes, heat, light, and sound. Today, we are going to talk about the light energy. So, tell me, we use the light to do what? To see. How can we go to see if there is no light? What are the sources of light? The sun. Okay, what else? Lamp. Okay, do you know something else? Heat. Okay, it's not the heat, it's the fire. In heat, it can be in many ways. On the stove, on the candle, on the fire, on many things. So it's a fire overall. So we have three sources of something that give off light. The sun is the first source that will give off light. The electric lights means all of the lamps. Electric lights, repeat after me, electric light, okay? And the fire. So there are three sources that give off light. The sun, it gives off light. This is a natural resource. And the electric light, this is a human-made. And the fire is a natural resource also. So these are the three sources that will give off light. So what's light? Is the energy that lets you see. Without these sources, we cannot be able to see. The amount of light. What the meaning of amount of light? Does the light have amounts? And can we human do something to make the light be big or small? Okay, it doesn't seems that you didn't understand. Amount of light can change how you see the things. It means that if I'm explaining for you the lesson in the class, okay, and we switch off the light, okay, and you're going to see clear or no. Or if we are in the sunny day, the same day, and I explain for you the lesson while I'm switching on the light, which one you are going to see clear? We are in a sunny day, we are in the class, and the sun comes inside or through the windows, and I open the light, or when the same situation and where I close or switch off the light. Okay, when I switch off the light, because we are in a sunny and the sun comes through the windows, you're going to see more clear. But if I switch on the light, you're going to see the things more faint. As this picture shows, you have a picture for sea and the rocks, okay? And this picture show in two things. The color of the water and the rocks look brighter in the bright light, okay? Because this is not a closed area, so they look more brighter in the bright light. And the same picture, it looks dim. Dim means the amount of light is little bit less than the first picture. So the color of the water and the rock, dim, brighter. Sorry, dim in the low light. بس ممكن to erase the word brighter. So again, the amount of light can cause or can make a change to see how things look. Also, you can change, or also you can change how you see the color. Some people can see the color of t-shirt blue, and another one can see baby blue. Although they are the same color, but each one has its eye, or the source of light, when it's come over the object, it will change the color of the object. Both of you students, I have student A and student B. Both of them are standing in front of me and I'm wearing a blue t-shirt. Student A said that my blue t-shirt is light blue, and student B said it's a blue. Both of them, they are right, but they can see the color according to the amount of light that affects the object. If it's light, it will look brighter, or if it's dim, because there is a little of light. Okay, so here, adding more light can make an object look brighter. At night, when we are sitting in the living room, when we switch on the light, the room will be more brighter. But when we take away the light, or when we switch the light, the things or the object will look dimmer. Okay, it will not, it's the opposite of the word brighter. Okay, different materials let different amount of light pass through. Look at these three pictures you have in the book and you have here in the slides. You are going to predict and guess. What's the difference between these three pictures? You have a window pane, you have a lamp shade, and you have a door. What the difference between the three pictures? Again, you have three pictures for three different matters. A window pane, a lamp shade means the lamp, abajura or whatever نجفة, and a door. What's different in these three pictures? Let's see the first one, window pane. Window, can you see the sun? Where does the sun? It's outside the window. And there's a plant inside a cup of water. So the window pane lets all the light pass through to reach the cup that have a plant, because the window, it's all of it made from glass. So the window pane is from glass, so it allow or pass all the light to pass through the window. Okay. What about the lamp shade, the next picture? It's not clear enough, so it lets some light, not all the light, to pass through it. Okay. What about the door? Have no glass, it's all covered with wood. So the door lets no light pass through. This is the difference between three materials that let the amount of light pass through. The window pane lets all the light to pass through. The lamp shade lets some light to pass through, and the door lets no light pass through. And you can try it at home, okay? You can get a torch, okay, and put the torch through the window. It will pass to the other side. Open a light shade, okay? It's not going to give you a such or more light such as the window, okay? Same to the door. Stand behind the door, pass a torch to the other side. Make sure that the door is not made from glass because it will pass for sure. So pass the torch on the opposite side and ask your mom, your brother, your sister, your father, can you see the light pass through the door? They will say for you, no, sure, because all of it is made from wood, or it's a bulk. Can someone tell me another example the light will not be able to pass through? Try, think. I will give you one more example and you tell me. What about if you have a book and you pass the light torch through it? It will be able to pass the light? No, so the book lets no light pass through. Yalla, you give me more examples. What will not pass through? Yes, super, wall. Wall also, if you get a torch, it will not be able to pass through the light. Right. What's Another kind of object, if you pass through the light, it will let some of the light pass through. Another example, except the lampshade. A paper, bring a paper and pass a light through it. It will let some of the light to pass through it. So here you can find many objects. You can try something more at home, okay? So this is for the light energy. Hope you understand it. Please, if you don't understand anything, don't hesitate to ask me, okay? See you on the last kind of energy. It would be the sound. Thank you. Goodbye.